Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Amethyst Flower Beetle in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. So this is one of the insects in Heartopia, and I'm going to show you how the Amethyst Flower Beetle looks like. Well, let me open up my backpack, and I'm going to show you the insect. Okay, this is the Amethyst Flower Beetle, and I'm going to show you where you can catch this insect. I'm going to go to my collection and select insect story. Okay, and I'm going to view the information about this Amethyst Flower Beetle. Okay, as you can see, for the active period, it's active daily, guys. And for the weather condition, you can catch this insect during the rainy condition or the rainbow. And I got this amethyst flower beetle near my house in Heartopia. So I just catch around here during the snowy weather. Okay, and it has purple color. So once you see something, once you see an insect with purple color, maybe that's the amethyst flower beetle, and you can catch it. Okay guys, and that's how we can catch the amethyst flower beetle in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.